Hello everyone, this is Mona once again, and in this video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-encash ng Facebook earnings through PayPal. Okay, so just to let you know guys, I'm here in Canada right now, and the way for me to encash my earnings is through PayPal. So, for those OFW who are not in the Philippines and wondering kung paano nila ma-encash yung kanilang earnings, don't worry guys, meron na tayong PayPal, and create lang po tayo ng account. Madali lang po siya. And I know din na nagpapadala tayo ng pera sa ating mga mahal sa buhay sa Pilipinas. So the other way is OFW payout, wherein ang ilalagay natin sa receiver is yung pangalan ng kung ano man yung gusto nating mag-receive ng ating earnings. Okay? So here guys, first thing that we should do is mag-login tayo sa ating affiliate account. So, I'm already logged in, and here is my dashboard as you can see, and I have a total earnings of 23,500 and available wallet is 23,500. So, the reason na pareho na po sila, equal na po, is na-transfer ko na po lahat ng aking earnings into my main wallet for encashment. Just to let you know guys, this is my earnings in 1 month and 2 weeks exactly. 1 month and 2 weeks po siya. And as a reminder po, our OFW and PayPal payout is every first and third Tuesday of the month, between 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock p.m. So, make sure na magagawa natin mag-request ng payout on those days and time. Okay? So, let's start na po guys. First thing we should do is, here is my navigation pane, and let's find for wallet. Click lang po natin yung wallet, and click PayPal payout. Okay? Okay, and click PayPal payout again on this page. Okay, so here is my wallet balance, 23,500. Actually, simulan ko na kanina, and ang available, ang maximum na PayPal payout po is only 20,000 pesos. I was trying to encash all of this one, but meron pong limit which is 20,000 pesos. Okay, so I want my account to be confidential, so ipopost ko lang po itong video, and I'll just want to enter my PayPal account info here, amount, and the PIN. Okay, so hold on guys. Okay guys, so I already did my request, and here as you can see, pending po yung status ng request ko, and then once na na-transfer na po yung pera into my PayPal account, and it will show here paid. Okay, so this is exciting guys. So, ang gagawin ko na lang is I'm going to wait for this 20,000 pesos to be transferred into my PayPal account. So, ganun lang po kadali guys.